Hey everyone, so just want to do a review on these lights that I purchased. Super impressed. These are awesome. First of all, they are G40 string lights. They're sunproof, waterproof, windproof, snowproof. They're connectable. You could connect multiple lights sets, which is awesome. And they're LED, which you can't go wrong. Bright and energy efficient. And the best part is they're 120 feet long, as you can see. They come with 2 spare bulbs, which is great because I had other ones before from different manufacturers and I had to replace them. That's actually the reason I got this. I couldn't find a replacement bulb, and it was too hectic. I just went with these ones. So we have two spares. I said you can see the lights, LED, very nice. The quality is great, and they're plastic, which is perfect for outdoors. Comes with the manual as well. Maybe be cool to get a look. So I just have to say I'm super impressed. These lights are great. They're so long that I was able to put two, run one back and forth one time on the fence. So I love it. We were looking for something like this. We found a lot of other lights, but they only have like 15, 14, 17 bulbs, and it just wasn't enough. As you can see, we have a patio set up out here. We like to entertain our guests, family and friends come over. We do a little fire, and it was just too dark. I tried with these solar lights we had here, and they would just flicker on and off. It was annoying. So we need to get something, and after looking at reviews and a little research on Amazon, I found these ones, and they're fantastic. So just want to give you a look in the daytime just so you can see, and I'll look at my next video for how they look at night. I'm excited and anxious to see how they illuminate the backyard patio area, how the lights look at night. I am amazed. These lights are fantastic. Honestly, I didn't think that they would provide this much light. Even the seating area right here, you can see. Mind you, when these are off, it's completely pitch black down here. So I'm super happy, really amazed how great these lights are and how much light they provide. As you can see, the whole area. Now, when we do the chairs and the tables right here, I mean, you could see everything. I might end up purchasing another set for the backyard in here, since you can see it's pretty dark out there without these lights, especially right there. But yes. And I'm excited to start using them. Have a get together now. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.